What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Bitcoin continuing to push up. A couple of possibilities here. So we're sitting at 51.6. We're up 4.7 on the day. Seeing a market cap of, wow. Can you believe it, guys? $1,016 billion market cap. Incredible. 24-hour volume is 42 billion. So a couple possibilities. So our blue count here, you have a, let me grab my brush. You have a wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback. So a couple possibilities. This could be the top of the wave 3, pull back in a 4, and now the micro count to push up in the 5. Potentially 1, 2, 3 may pull back here, push up in a 5. That could take you up to about 53K, 54K. Or this is the 3 high right here. There's your 4 pullback, which is possible. There's your wave 1. There's your wave 2. There's your wave 3 ending diagonal. There's your wave 4. And right there's your wave 5. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Right there's your wave 5. And you're going to get rejected and drop. Now, we have strong resistance here. This is the daily chart. Resistance right here. Resistance here. Rejection. We pushed a little bit higher to about 52.8K. We got rejected. Support. Bounce. 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 Rejection. Resistance. Resistance. So this would be a pretty good level to see a rejection. But anything can happen. We're super overbought on the RSI, on the money flow, pushing into major resistance. If we push all the way up to like 56K, I'd be very surprised. I think there's a good chance we're overextended, that we could pull back from here. I think there's a pretty decent chance, but the original target was around like 53.5K. So it's always a possibility. So just watch. If we get rejected here and we come back down to this trend line, let's see if we bounce. Let's see if this is the one to, let me move this over. It's just going to take a second, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. And if you don't have a pet in your life, I highly recommend it. I miss my cats back home very much, but you know, my parents are taking good care of them. Actually, they're getting a little bit fat, so I'm disappointed because they used to be strong and built and muscular. So yeah, so this is this is a possibility. If we hold that, if we come back, we hold that trend line, we bounce, and you can push up on a wave 5. However, if we start to break down from that trend, and especially we come down and break this low here, this local low at about 47.7K, then the impulse is over. We're going to pull back in a deeper wave 4, take you back down to, you know, 45,000. So it all, or we could, if we see a straight breakout, then we could look at it. We could look at an impulse, but it does look like we were going through an ending diagonal. So we'll see if we end up getting rejected here. Watch this trend line. It's pretty crucial at about 49.4. If we break it, then we'll pull back in the wave 4. If we bounce, we can push up. If we see a straight breakout back to the upside, then our original target was about 53.5K. Let me see if I can pull up that chart quickly. Is this the one? This looks like the one. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, so if we take, we'll just quickly remove this out as we're continuing to break up here. If we take, this is the daily chart, a trend-based fib extension from the bottom of this wave 2 here in yellow. This is how you measure wave 5 up to the top of wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4. As you can see, this 61.8, which is normal target for wave 5, is at 53.4K. So that is a possibility to keep in mind. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. We recently locked in juicy gains. Let me get out of my open chat here. We recently locked in juicy gains on Gala Trade. Where are we here? Our Gala Trade, we locked in 18.6%. We locked in 32% profit on Sol. We're absolutely crushing it on Forex. We've won 7 trades in a row. Very easy to set up your Forex account. No KYC Forex setup. Trade crypto, trade Forex all in one place for $10 a month. And you can see my how to all plays. Sign up through the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Go check out the links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.